As unemployment numbers continue to rise, the president is trying to protect American workers. He signed a temporary executive order targeting those seeking to immigrate to the U.S.
The new order is leaving many with questions. CBS 4's Jelani Martinez spoke with one immigration attorney who's clearing up concerns.
Our clients are concerned, how is this going to affect me? How is this going to affect my family?
The phones have been ringing at attorney Frank Guerra's office as President Trump signed an executive order temporarily suspending immigration into the United States.
This will ensure that unemployed Americans of all backgrounds will be first in line for jobs as our economy reopens. Crucially, it will also preserve our health care resources for American patients.
One of the things that I find very interesting that the president stated yesterday is that his administration would review during these 60 days whether it wanted to lift the executive ban or whether to extend it. That's besides the point that the courts have yet to form an opinion as to whether it should be put into effect or not.
So what does this order mean for people already in the process of immigrating to the U.S. or seeking a non-immigrant temporary work visa?
If they are scheduled for an interview, they should only see this as a temporary pause and a delay. Nothing is canceled, no deportation of any kind is going to go on.
And for those looking to renew applications?
Your renewal application may be delayed. Applications in general will be delayed, but those that currently hold an immigrant visa, those that are legal permanent residents of the United States should not worry. They will not be affected by the order.
Reporting in McAllen with Complete Valley coverage, Jelani Martinez, CBS 4 Valley at 5.
Guerra adds that refugees and individuals seeking asylum are not affected by the temporary executive order.